This is the best way to get a UK number or US number for free. Right now, you can see I have 399 over 400. If I go ahead to watch a single ad, I'm going to add up this number and I'm going to get the US number for free. But before we begin, if you're coming to this channel for the first time, my name is Joaking. So what I do on this platform is that I show you different ways you can make money online, and in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. So whenever I'll be uploading valuable content like what you're about to watch, YouTube is going to send you a notification. Just watch me as I do this, and you can also get a UK number or a US number for totally free using this platform. So it's going to count down and an ad is going to display for most times 15 seconds and most times 30 seconds. Then after that, you're going to get an additional point to what you already have. So this is actually what you will get after it. Okay, I've been rewarded with a 3 coin. So now I just have to go back. So right now you can see that this blue button is now clickable. So once I go ahead to tap on it, it's going to give me the US number for totally free just by watching videos daily on this platform. And when you come on this platform, you are entitled to watch at least 15 ads plus every single day. With that, you can increase your points and get a UK number within a week. So right now you can see I have 402 over 400. Now they said get free US number. So what you just need to do is to click on it. So right now let me go ahead to tap on the get free US number so you can see for yourself how I'll be getting a free US number on this platform. So right now they said, are you sure you want to redeem coin for a free number now? Then you have to click on yes. So it's going to load and you will see you got a free number. Congratulations, you got a free number. So you can get a free additional number as you keep watching ads on this platform. So right now I have 2 over 400. So the more I stay on this platform to watch ads, watch video, and take different ways to earn coin, I'm going to accumulate more coin for myself, and at the end I'm going to reach up to 400 to be able to get an additional number for myself. Right here, when you come down, you can see you can have this challenge and get 1000 coin plus. You can also take challenge of the other one, also take challenge of games and others. So if you want to increase your coin, you can also come over to more coin, and once you go over to more coin, some ads will be displayed and you can actually watch this ad to increase your coin. You can also come over to spin a wheel daily and you can increase your coin on this platform. So once you come to spin, you can actually come over here and spin. So once you spin this, automatically you might be given a particular coin, you might not win. This is actually a chance of luck. Okay, now I just earned myself a single coin. So you just have to verify this. So once you verify it, it will actually give you a single coin, and you can also invite your friends using the link on this platform. To register on this platform, you can also use my link below the description on this video, which will in turn give you an additional coin as a new member. Okay, so right now let me go back and show you how you can get a free coin daily. You can also share this on Facebook to get 1 coin. Also come in daily to check in, and checking in daily will allow you accumulate also a single coin on this platform. You just have to check all this most times when it comes up. So you verify. So you have been given a single coin to this particular tax. You can also watch videos. You can come in daily to do this. You can share a surprise box and you get 60 coin for yourself. So now the main aim is to make sure your point is increasing. For I already have a US number with them, as you've seen earlier. So this is how you can actually do it. So once you've gotten to 400 coin, this get free US number will actually appear blue. Then you have to click on it, then automatically you're getting your free US or UK number. So now if I want to watch more ads to increase my coin, I just have to come over to watch videos over the day. You just have to click on it, then it counts down to 0. Counts down, automatically you'll be rewarded with a coin. Okay, you can see you earn 3 coins for watching this ad, and right now you can see that from 4 we've gotten 7. So you can do this and to get as many free US number you wish to get using this platform. Okay, so this is how you can actually get free US number on this platform, and the name is called Numero app. You can get the link below the description. Sign in with my own link to get an additional free bonus for yourself. Over here you can see good news. You already have a number from US. Add a local minute plan for even cheaper calling rate. One thing about it is that you can use this number to make calls from any part of the world. You can buy credits, you can buy local credits on this. So now to view your own US number, you just have to click on this call button icon. So once you click on it, you have to click on this to get a drop down. So right here you can see the +156. That is actually your US number. So you just have to tap on it. Then you see manage numbers. This number will be your default numbers for call and SMS. Then you click on confirm. So right now you already see that we have a US number. So any code or any SMS you'll be getting will be coming down to this US number. Okay, so now once you come over to eSIM, you can see you can get a number on this platform if you wish to buy them yourself. You can get different country numbers to start using them for different purposes. Okay, but mine, I already got this number for free and I can use it as long as I want. Also, when you come over to the notification icon, you can see they said you have successfully purchased the number of 15 blah 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 with the coin. The number will expire on the 24th of October 2024, meaning it lasts for a month. Okay, today is 24th, so it's going to expire in the next month. Okay, make sure to always have enough coin in your account to keep the number for free. So for you to retain this number, you just need to get more coin, and which is very easy to get in a week. You need to regain more coin to keep this number to be yours forever. Okay, so that is how you can gain access to using free numbers on this platform. Now, to know more about the numbers that you have purchased or the numbers you have, you just have to click on this call icon also. Then come down, you will see where they wrote my number details. So you click on it. So now you can see that I have my Nigerian number and I have my US number. And currently now I have the US number being active. So you just have to click on this drop down here and you will see details of your number. You can see futures, you can see renewable dates, which is 24th of October 2024. You can also see 6,000 free receiving minutes. Okay, so now you can see my available coin 7/400, which will also be displayed here. So once you've gotten extra 400, you can also renew that number or get a new number. So this is where you can come to see details of your current mobile number on this platform. You can see how interesting this platform is, which is totally free for you to start up today and get your free UK number and also your US number. Presently now we are asked to verify this number. Right now they said one more step, please verify your number to continue. So you just have to tap on it and you can see to use Numero eSIM virtual mobile, you need to verify your phone number to continue using our service. So you just need to tap on verify. So a code will be sent to that number. A code will be sent, an SMS message will be sent to your Nigerian number, and you just have to input it and activate your account. So you can also direct this code to your WhatsApp, just like the one you're seeing on the screen right now, or you can resend using your SMS. So right now we are going to input this code over here, and once we are done inputting this code, we are going to continue to verify our number, because without doing this your US number won't be verified. So right now they said the registration completed. So right now our US number is verified and we can start using it. So when you want to dial using this number, you can just come over to this call icon and you can see the numbers to dial. So when you want to receive SMS with this number or any code at all, you can actually come over to this chat icon over here, and you will get a code or any message around this number. So this is how you can actually use this number and make calls and also receive messages of any kind. This number will always be yours as you keep being active on this platform, watching ads to retain your number. And thank you for watching to this point. I know you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be creating more videos on how you can leverage this platform to earn more free coin for yourself. As for now, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned on this channel for more videos like this will be dropped on this channel. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification, so whenever I upload valuable content like what you just watched, YouTube is going to send you a notification.